Hi everyone, welcome to the another video. So today in this video, we'll see what was the new feature that has released by the Postman. Okay, so as a part of last release, so this is a Postman release notes page. So where you can go here, you can see this is a the most recent release, which is 9.7.1. Right. So and they have introduced some new features, which is supporting gRPC request. Right. So apart from this, they have introduced the variable type in environment and global, right? So we all use different types of variables, example, environment variables, collections variable, global variable, and a local variable. And we use the data variable also, right? So what they have introduced as a part of this release, right? So you can select a variable type in environment and global. Okay, so this is not applicable for the collection level and the local level variables. Okay, so now we can select the types of variable in the environment and the global. We are supporting types as a default secret with this releases. Okay, so the secret in the sense, you can use the variable type as a secret to mask the initial and the current value in the UI. So it can be like such as API key or token, password, secrets, right? Client ID. It could be anything. Okay, so this is what we are going to see today. What type of variable type they have introduced as a part of environment variable and global variables. Okay, so this is available right from 9.71. Okay, so now the one which is I'm currently using is, so you can go to settings, and if you see this one, I'm using this 9.6.0, right? So if I go to this any environment variables, okay, so I can create one environment variable. So this I will name it as a test variable, test environment variable. Okay, so now you can see I can use the name. I can give the variable. So the variable can be like anything, right? So here we don't use this. We don't have the any environment variable type to select, right? So this is how the existing one. Till before this version. Okay. So now what we can do, I will check for the updates. So you can go to the settings and you can go for update, and you can, simply check for the update. And this is our up to date, right? So now you can see after updating the Postman to 9.7.1, right? So now you can see this is my recent version, which I updated to 9.7.1. So now we can see this is a variable that we have created in the previous version, right? So I'm just giving the variable name as a. Okay, and here you can see this is a new one. Okay, this one we cannot see if we are using less than 9.7.1. Okay, so this feature is available right from the 7.1, 9.7.1. Okay, so I have upgraded this one. So either, you may get the update. So you can go to the settings and you can go to the update and you can check for the update. Okay, if you don't see any update, then manually you can download the latest version from the Postman website to install the Postman. Okay, so now you can see variable type I have selected as a default. So default is nothing. It is, it can be anything, a normal as it is, right? So when you want to select some, for example, you want to get the client ID, right? So client ID or anything like a password, right? So you can set like this. Okay. So now if you, okay, if you don't, if you leave this as a default one, then this will be, same as it is, right? So if you want to set it as like a secret one, right? So you can see this will be masked. Okay. So that's where, it will not be visible to another one, other people. So if you want to, if you want to check this is correct or not, so you can simply click on this I button to make it as a visible. Okay. So these are the things they have introduced. You can see here. So now we can set the variable type as a secret to mask the values, right? And we are supporting types as default and the secret, right? So these are the things. So now what we can do, this is applicable as per their statement, only this is applicable for the environment variables and the global variables, right? So this one we have selected from the environment variable. And similarly, if you select the global variable, so here also you can see we have this one. But when you go as a collection level, okay, so this is my collection, right? So here also we can set the environment, variables, collection level variables, right? So here you can see, but here you will not find that option. So here you can see only variable, initial value, current value. We don't have such option for variable type, right? So this is only available in environment variables and globals. Okay, right now the support for this types of variable is available only in the environment and global, and you can use this one, right? So if at all, if you want to mask the username, password, any kind of keys and all, right, we can use this one. Okay, so that's all about this video, and that is a recent release we got from the Postman. Thank you, guys.